I want to talk about disruption in America's migratory patterns. Let's find out what happened when Americans moved during the pandemic. Well, as you can see from the screen, it was not good news for America's gateway metros. San Francisco, New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, they all lost population to their own suburbs. And where there are losers, there are winners. The Big Apple had negative rent growth because people were going to Newark. Denver lost people and rental profits to Colorado Springs. Seattle lost people to Spokane. California was interesting in that it had a super cluster of losing cities. San Francisco, San Jose, Oakland, Los Angeles, they were on the losing team for rents. Fresno, Bakersfield, and Sacramento were the winners. Bakersfield, really, people? Bakersfield, that's the best you can do? So it's fair to declare that the decade-long urbanization trend is over. As you can see, urban rent growth, you can see it on the screen, it's now negative. Suburban rent growth, quite positive. People want more space, and restaurants and museums, not as important as home offices and backyards. And so people are not just moving from San Francisco and New York to their suburbs. They are leaving the metros altogether. The states in green are seeing huge inbound moves. We invest in Idaho, which with its incredible growth was #1 in the US, and no surprise. We also invest in South Carolina, which came in at #2. Oregon, South Dakota, Arizona, Tennessee, North Carolina, Florida, they were the other big winners in this pandemic super migration, right? The states in light blue had some inbound migration. Some people moved in, slightly less people moved out. Texas was in there, Utah, Washington State, still did well. The states in dark pink, they're the big losers. California, New York, Illinois, they were all hit very, very hard. But most of the Northeast states, look at the map, lost a bunch of people as well. It doesn't look good for you, Connecticut. I think there are only 9 people left in Connecticut.